So hey guys, welcome to part 2 of personal audio classifier. So in previous tutorial we are left out here. Now we are going to move ahead. So now what we have to do is we have the list something like this. As you can see in my previous tutorial, I button will be popping up here. In my previous tutorial we have a list handling such as like this. So this was our list, and in that list there were two more lists. So first one is this, and this like this, and there was a comma, and the second one was like this. So if you haven't watched my previous tutorial, I ensure you watching my previous tutorial because I've covered a lot of things there. Now, so the first one was the name, which was our prediction, and then was the accuracy score, and then there was another which has the accuracy score. So first one, if there is an Ashish, so first will be Ashish, which has the more confidence, that will be at the first place. So this one is our first and this one is our second, which means that we have to filter out this list, this block of list, to our status label. So now if we just select item from the list, so this will be 1. So if we filter out 1, now we have the name and the accuracy score, but we only want the name. So what am I going to do is also filter out this list. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be 2, and then we filter out the the first element of our list, and then we will get the final result. So let's get going to coding. Now we have to set your results, and there is a screen 2 here, as you can see here. Now what we are going to do is your results, I'm gonna set get status, I'm gonna keep it up here, and then you can just go to list and index item. Okay, we have to select it, not this one. We have to select list item from index, and the list is going to be the list, and okay, the list is going to be the list, and the math is going to be our first element. So by this block of code we have filtered out this piece of element right here, and then we are going to take now this gives us a list. Now we will get another list, this one here, select item from list, and this will give us a list. So we are going to paste that there, and the index will be the 1 right here. And now we are filter out this name element by selecting the 1. So this was a quick tutorial, and after that we are going, so let's check it out that if it's working or not. So there is an app, so you can do but I will ensure you that this will not going to work in an emulator. I don't know why, but it doesn't work. Okay, you have to download app on a real device, and then you can move on. Now we have to click on record button, so let me record it, Ashish, and recording stops, and by sometimes maybe 3 seconds or 4 seconds delay, your results will be changed to Ashish and whatever label you have given to. So mine was Ashish, so whatever your model is going to be predicted, yours as you can see here, my status label has predicted Ashish, and we can just play the sound Ashish. As you can see that my sound has been played and it has predicted that it's Ashish. Now let us also predict the talk sound. As you can see here, it has predicted that it's a talk sound. Now what we are going to do is just go to designer, and we have to go to the media, and we have to take the speech to text, and let it be default. Now in the blocks we will open another screen, so that's a voice log app. Now we have to go here and put the, so if you are wondering how it predicts, it just takes a spectrogram, and so it will compare those spectrograms, and then it result the output. You can add as many labels as you want, but the key thing here is that it's only accept the time frame between 0.0 to 1 seconds. Now let's call, so this will be our next. So now we are going to take an control, I think so, yes, control statement, and we'll write here if. So if are the, we have to going to compare text, if that's Ashish, so we are going to take that here and copy this one and put that there. And if the text is Ashish, so let me put it here. And so if there's this block of code gives Ashish, we are going to open another screen. So let me go and open another screen right here, and that's going to be our screen 2. So let me put that there, put screen 2, and we will call speech to text first. Then we copy that and tell him welcome Ashish, just like this. Now if that's not the case, we are just going to put an else statement. Okay, else statement right here, and then we will call text to speech and make it something like, sorry, this app is for Ashish. So this was our final piece of code. So now let's run our app. So we are going to click on this build, and we will going to save APK to my computer. Sorry for my mistake. Instead of that compare text, so I will going to remove those two blocks. So instead of compare text, we are going to use logical. I don't know why that compare text didn't work, and we have also changed the sign also, but it didn't work. Now we will just go into compare operator, and then it worked. So you have to also do the compare operator, and then you can click on build and save APK to my computer. Now there is an app that we have recorded. So now if we click on record, so let us first test with the talk. So let us see if that opens the text or not. So as you can see here, so if it's talk, our app is not going to be
this app is for Ashish.
So as you can see that it has said that this app is for Ashish. Now I'm going to test with my audio, Ashish. So as you can see that it has opened our screen. So this was the basic introduction how you can make a voice lock app, and if you want more such tutorial you can comment down below. Until then, stay tuned with me. Goodbye, take care.